What's up, guys? I'm Tony. Welcome back to my channel, where you can hopefully learn from my journey through fixing my credit and investing in stocks. I am in no way an expert in either of those fields, but hopefully I can entertain you and possibly educate you to some degree. All of the things you see here shows how I got a supreme credit score, or what led up to me getting what I call a supreme credit score. Since nobody in my personal life wants to listen to me, so I came to YouTube. Most people think fixing your credit means paying a credit repair company hundreds or even thousands of dollars. I believe that too, especially when my credit score was low and everything in my life felt more expensive. I fixed my credit myself using regular dispute letters without paying a credit repair company. One day I thought to myself, what are they actually doing that I can't do myself? And that's when I realized something important. Credit repair companies don't have special access or secret tools. They use the same dispute process that every consumer already has access to. I fixed my credit using regular dispute letters, nothing fancy, nothing aggressive, and more importantly, nothing illegal. I focused on accuracy and I was persistent. As my credit improved, my cost started dropping. I started to receive the options for lower interest rates, better approvals. That meant less money leaking out every month out of my bank account. And instead of upgrading my lifestyle or creating unnecessary expenses, I made a different decision. I invested that money. And more importantly, how I used the money I saved to start investing in stocks, build a portfolio worth over $100,000, and now receive about $160 per month in dividend income. This is not a flex or to brag. There are way more people on YouTube with millions of dollars in their stock portfolio. Everyone has a goal and a starting point, and I am nowhere near my goals, but I'm investing as often as I can. This channel is about financial literacy for the beginners, learning how money really works so you can make smarter decisions long term. This is where a lot of people miss the opportunity. Better credit doesn't make you rich. It creates breathing room. What you do with that breathing room determines everything. I started investing consistently in stocks and ETFs. Nothing risky, nothing complicated, long-term disciplined investing. I opened a Charles Schwab stock brokerage account, but you can open any of the popular ones like Robinhood or E-Trade or Fidelity. Over time, that consistency grew into a portfolio worth over $100,000. Now, I am currently investing in stocks weekly. I am nowhere near rich. I have a 9-to-5 that I am currently using that income to fund my stock brokerage account. I put aside a few dollars a week or monthly, and I invest in the companies that I understand. Today, I receive dividend income averaging about $160 per month from holdings like SPYD and holdings like SPYM. Although they don't actually pay every month, the average is approximately $160 per month. I am on a journey to making $12,000 per year in dividend income, which is essentially $1,000 per month. I plan on achieving this income from owning ETFs and stocks, just for owning their shares. I'm not saying this to brag. I'm just telling you my numbers. I honestly wish it were more. I am telling you this to motivate you to also start your investing. I have other stocks and ETFs, but I'm focusing on these for right now because both SPYD and SPYM are dividend ETFs. That means instead of picking individual stocks, you're buying a basket of companies that pay dividends, so you get income just for holding them. It's that simple. Now, SPYD focuses on higher yield dividend stocks, which means it usually pays a higher income, but the price can move up and down more. And SPYM is more balanced. It spreads your investment across companies with stable dividends and slightly lower risk. For beginners, These ETFs are a simple way to earn dividend income without having to research dozens of individual stocks. And if you follow my channel, you'll see how I invest my money and see my actual numbers and get a better understanding of why and how I picked my stocks. Remember, this is passive income and it comes in whether I work or not. For me, it all started with fixing my credit first. That's why I believe financial literacy is everything. Credit repair is the foundation. Investing is the growth engine. Together, they both changed my financial future. If I could fix my credit myself by just with a few YouTube videos, you can too. In the next few videos, I'll go more in depth of why I chose SPYD and SPYM. If you want to watch my journey and see how I increase my stock portfolio with simple stock investing strategies while keeping my credit score above 800, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and check the links in the description.